Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you on my channel. If you are interested in Forex trading, you are in the right place. Today we are going to talk about really interesting topic, how to use ChatGPT in your trading. Yes, we all know that you can use ChatGPT for writing essays and ask you difficult questions. But did you know it could be a game changer in your trading? Today we will go step-by-step instructions that ChatGPT gave us. We will try to test, is it really helpful? Will it be our best friend or a real enemy? The reason I decided to record this video because I haven't found any of the videos in the YouTube or in the internet that will explain really precisely if GPT is good or bad. So stay tuned. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the basics of ChatGPT and will it help us to trade and get some profits. First of all, before placing a real order, you need to analyze the market. This is called market sentiment, and ChatGPT will help you with this because it will gather all the information from investors, other traders, news and media, and will come up with the mood of the market, either it's pessimistic or optimistic. Today we will trade with the euro-dollar currency pair because it has a good liquidity and it's less volatile than other trading pairs. To start with, we need only two programs, ChatGPT obviously and MetaTrader 4. We simply ask ChatGPT what is the market sentiment for euro-dollar. It will analyze a few websites and I hope it will come up with an exact answer. 85% of technical indicators signal bearish conditions and 14-day RSI readings. So ChatGPT suggests us it is a bearish mood. If it is bearish, we need to consider opening a sell position. Moreover, we need to see the RSI reading on the graph and 44% holding long, 64 holding long positions, or buy positions. We will verify this information physically in MetaTrader 4. First, we need to open our MetaTrader 4. And as ChatGPT suggested us, we need to add RSI indicator to see that the trend is bearish. If you haven't opened yet your currency pair, you can choose it on the list in the left, double click and open chart window. It will open your currency pair. To add an RSI indicator, you click Insert, Indicators, Oscillators, and Relative Strength Index. Here we have set period 14, click OK, and on the bottom of the page you can see the RSI graph. A quick overview what RSI means. RSI analyzes the candlesticks. In our case, with the period 14, it analyzes last 14 candles. And based on these candles, we can see what the mood of the market is now. Now, I have opened an hour graph. We will go to the minute graph. And now RSI we see at the 47, exactly in the middle. Because you can put period of RSI up to 100. Here, if RSI is 50, it is really mixed because we don't know if the trend is bearish or bullish. To see on the bigger scale, on the hour graph, RSI is 60, so it is closer to overbought, where you have to consider a sell position, which proves the ChatGPT's information that the market is bearish. Another way to prove that ChatGPT is right, we will add moving averages. If you have no idea how to add them, you can simply ask ChatGPT, how can I add moving average to MT4? It will give you a step-by-step instruction that you can use by yourself. You see, it even tells you open MT4, select the chart. Instead of reading all these instructions, we will move straight forward to our chart. We will click Insert in the top toolbar, Indicators, Trend, and Moving Average. First moving average will be with the period 5. Period 5 is really useful if you do daily trading and you want to make profit from small fluctuation during 1 hour or during half an hour even. Second moving average will be with the period 30. Just simply type 30 and change the color not to get lost, for example blue. And here we see the period 30 that analyzes a wider range of the graph. Here we're in 1 minute timeline. If we change it to daily, we see the change in moving averages. Now, long moving average with period 30 is above. Remember, with a minute graph, it is below because our 5-period moving average analyzes a smaller period of candles. What do we want to see here? We are interested in a daily timeline because if the price is below the moving average, it means that the trend is bearish right now. And this again proves ChatGPT. Now we have come up to the point where we want to make a trade. But a trade involves various points such as take profit, stop loss, and most importantly, it is the lot size. This is called risk management. Risk management is crucial in Forex. If you don't know how to use it, you can simply ask ChatGPT. But you need to understand, risk management you need to use in every trade because it will help you to minimize your risk and save your deposit. So let's imagine you have a $500 deposit and you want to make a trade on euro-dollar. Simply ask ChatGPT what is the risk management and calculate a lot size. And please be specific with the questions such as deposit 500, for example, because the more specific you are, the more specific answer you will get. So what do we have here? To calculate the lot size take profit, it suggests us 1-2% risk from a total deposit, which is correct. Be careful with the numbers. Always double check the numbers and calculations that are made by ChatGPT because sometimes they are not very precise. So we will use 2% risk, which is $10 per one trade. All right. Lot size. Following all the calculations, we have 0.025 standard lots, which is fine for our deposit. Take profit. Stop loss is 20 pips and take profit also from 20 to 40 pips. You can exceed it even to 60 or 80 pips. Now, as we already know from ChatGPT and as we have proved with you, we are in a bearish market. Going back to our MetaTrader 4, we have all our indicators that are indicating a bearish market movement. We will open a sell trade. Double click on your currency pair on the list on the left. We will select a volume 0.025 as ChatGPT suggested. Stop loss. We will have 20 pips above, which is 820, and take profit will be 40, I would say even 50 pips. This will take us to 750. And simply press sell by market successfully. We still see that our RSI index is at 30 our moving average red line, which is period 5, as you remember, below, and it is heading downwards as well. Now we just need to wait. Let's recap what we have explored today. We have learned that ChatGPT can help us with various methods in trading. We have covered moving averages, RSI, MACD, and even we opened a trade with the help of ChatGPT. By the way, how it is now? We have closed a trade with a stop loss, as we said, with minus 2.36. I haven't noticed it before, but I was testing ChatGPT before without recording a video, and I got a profit of 8.44. And in total, we have $5.10 as a positive profit. It is good that we're not in a big loss. But what does it tell us about ChatGPT? We need always to remember and keep in mind that ChatGPT is based on historical data, and it can analyze and teach you some, but we can fully rely on ChatGPT. You always need to do your own research of the market and market analysis. It is better to buy one good book and study it. And if you have some uncertainties in dictionaries, in words, specifics, you can ask ChatGPT, but the final decision must rely on you. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding Forex trading and ChatGPT, please leave a comment below. Have a nice day.